So in this video, I am going to show you how to disable autoplay in Windows 11. Disabling autoplay gives you full control over preventing unwanted programs from running automatically. This can enhance your system security and reduce annoying pop-ups. So let's start the video. To turn off autoplay in Windows 11, begin by opening the Start menu and selecting Settings from the context menu. From there, navigate to Bluetooth and Devices, scroll down and click on Autoplay. You will see options to manage autoplay settings for various media types. To fully disable autoplay, just toggle off the Use AutoPlay for all media and devices option. Once you have made your changes, close the settings window and you are all set. This will prevent any automatic actions when you connect external devices.